Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Google Chat contact. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and enter the chat right here, okay? And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna click their name at the top, right, in the top middle. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click delete conversation. Delete a conversation from your history is permanent. All the participants still can view this this conversation. But if you want to delete that contact, all you gotta do is block and report user, so you can delete them from your conversation, right? Or you can delete them from your contacts. If they were added by an email, all you gotta do is delete the conversation and they will not be added because they are not added at the first place. You only send them a message. But if that person was your contact, all you gotta do the same steps, and then you're gonna be able to basically delete them from your contact list, and then you're gonna be able to basically not see them again. Okay, and the same goes for members. Click the member and then go ahead and click manage members, go to each member, and then do the same steps. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.